Igbo kwenu.
Yeah.
America kwenu.
Yeah.
Indulge Neil on the Wakwe zone.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndebanye, I'm make a little. I'm ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakon, aka the photo cosmetic surgeon, and this is another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And you already know why we do this. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're going to give them back the identity that was stolen from them, starting with their names. So, shout out to Ariel, that's right, for sending in her name for today's Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So Ariel, I asked her to describe herself, and so that I could give her a good Igbo name. And she gave me a lot of really great adjectives, and some of the words that she said were like vibrant, positive, spiritual, and the word spiritual stuck out to me. So to give her a good name, I gave her the Igbo name, Chimasoka. Come on, say that with me. Chimasoka. Good. All right, so you ready to translate that name together? Okay, so Chim, Chi means like God or guiding spirit, guardian angel. And then that sound signifies ownership. So it's like my God. And Iso, so so means like something you like or something that's sweet, right? And Ka means like greater than, exceedingly better. So you put all that together and it's basically Chimasoka. My God is so sweet, or my God is so wonderful, or my God is amazing, my God is magnificent. So since she says she's very spiritual, that's the name I gave her. Chimasoka. Chimasoka's names give them the power to be extroverted, graceful, bubbly, and basically just able to always keep a positive attitude throughout all of life's ups and downs. So, let me know what you think. Is that a fitting name for her? Did I get the translation right? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And share this video with all the Chimasokas that you know. Like this video and leave me a comment below, like I said. Subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification button or the bell to get a notification anytime I post a new video. Let me know what you think about this Igbo Name of the Day series. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Anything I can change to improve it to make it better? Feel free to let me know in the my Instagram DM is linked below in the description box. So hit me up on there and let me know what you think. Hit me up for an Igbo name if you don't have one. Don't worry about it. I will gift you one. And if you already have an Igbo name, I will feature your name on the next Igbo Name of the Day. All right. Thanks. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.